Hello children, welcome back to my class. I, Kiran Thakur, your English teacher, have come back with a new video of poem The Rain. Children, almost all the people enjoy watching rain. Why? Because the environment becomes very cool, clean and clear after the rain. Isn't it? Children, so let us move and enjoy our poem together. Poem The Rain. Pitter-patter raindrops falling from the sky. Here is my umbrella to keep me safe and dry. When the rain is over and the sun begins to glow, little flowers start to bud and grow and grow and grow. So children, in this poem, a little boy talks about the rain, and he says that when it rains, his umbrella keeps him safe from the rain, and when it stops raining and the sun shines, flowers begin to grow everywhere. Okay children? So children, this is all about the poem. I hope so you have enjoyed the poem. Now we will meet again in our next video. Till then, thank you and take care.